Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods on Webflow. First, open Webflow on your PC and log into your account. Now select your project and click on Open in Webflow to enter the dashboard. Then click on CMS from the top left side, and after that, go to the e-commerce section to manage your store settings. Next, click on the Setup Guide from the left side. This will show you all the steps required to configure your store. Now scroll down until you find the Add Payment Provider option. Then click on Add Payment Method next to it. After that, click on Continue to start the setup process. Here, enter your business name exactly as you want it to appear for payments. Then fill in your country, street address, city, state, and zip or postal code carefully, making sure all details are correct. Next, select your currency, which will be used for all transactions on your store. Then choose your language based on your preference or target audience. After entering all the details, click on Continue to proceed with the payment setup. Once completed, your payment method will be added and your Webflow store will be ready to accept payments from customers. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.